Hi guys, welcome back to a new weather video. Today we have a new weather update. Now we have an enhanced risk in place. But first we've got to show you a new upgrade that has just been issued. I'm getting kind of concerned about this risk, and especially because we have a chance for some storms today blowing up across Colorado today. So, yeah. Sorry if it's not even loading properly, that's okay. They're just updating this risk. There we go, bullseye. Here we go. Denver. If you guys live in Denver, Colorado Springs, you guys have a threat for severe weather today. That's where I think we're monitoring severe weather. Today, that risk is actually for hail. Yeah, hail. A risk for hail. And we have downtown Denver. Yeah, you heard me. Downtown Denver, Colorado, in a hatched hail risk. You're like, wait, what? How is that possible? I do not know how that's possible. But actually, they just confirmed a tornado risk out here. Ready, guys? We're going to show you it out and check it out. Alrighty. And then we're also checking a few more updates about this. So, yeah. And I've been monitoring this weather update all day today, so I do not live in this risk, but I will be monitoring this weather risk. Yeah, look at that. We have a huge, I'm like a huge 2% chance of tornadoes across Casper, Wyoming, down the Cheyenne to Denver, which is very crazy. I'm shocked how they did not put a tiny 5% here. What really shocks me that I'll be shocked they actually do put out like a 5% right here. Like a little 5% area right in this area later. Okay, so the National Weather Service, I was right about this yesterday. I was actually really right about this yesterday, and I cannot believe I was right about it. I did it. And about this afternoon, the National Weather Service, also known the National Weather Service and the Storm Prediction Center, have added a new enhanced risk out. And today, we do have an enhanced risk that we need to monitor. And I told you guys yesterday, in yesterday's video, there might be an enhanced risk somewhere across Oklahoma this week. Tomorrow, which is now today. And now, that is now an enhanced risk all across this area. It is warned. And I did say this was right too. I did say yesterday we could see a 10% tornado risk. Possibly a hatched one. But I'm guessing they didn't issue a 10% hatched tornado risk. But they said I guess we'll probably see 1 or 2 strong tornadoes possible. Right as of now, the Storm Prediction Center, and the National Weather Service has highlighted a 10% chance of tornadoes in this area, which is actually very crazy, and I was right about this, and I'll be shocked. Yes, I'll be shocked if they issue a hatched region in this area, a possible hatched area, as we get later into the day. You have a very likely tornado watch going to be issued today between Oklahoma in the next couple of hours. Between 3 to 4 p.m. will probably be Oklahoma would probably be put in a tornado watch. Especially in this vicinity for a tornado watch. And we also have a chance for 2 to 3 or 4 inch hail possible all in this red area, which just got issued too. So that means a hatched 2 to 3 inch hail, possibly softball size. So between tennis ball to baseball to possibly softball size hail possible today, with about a few or a couple of strong tornadoes possible across Oklahoma. Across this area. So, in this area, there's a chance for strong tornadoes. Okay, so let's go down here into the new update that just got issued by the National Hurricane Center. This is the new outlook. The Storm Prediction Center, not the Storm Prediction Center, the National Hurricane Center has now put out an official 80% chance of development of this forming now. Which means, this means a new 80%. This could upgrade to a 90% by tomorrow morning. And then after that, we'll probably upgrade to a 100% chance of development. So models, the GFS model, so... Okay, hang on a second, guys. We're having some little problem going on with Radar Mega, but that's okay. Radar Mega's a little glitched. I think they're having some updates and changes going on. That's probably why they've been having some problems in the past couple of days, which is okay. So, okay. So, anyway, yes, I figured, I know why it's glitched, everyone, so don't worry. Anyway, sorry if you cannot see what's happening. It might be just a tiny glitch that's going on. So, anyway, the GFS model is saying this is going to be a very strong hurricane, looking like Category 3 or Category 4 strength. Possibly Category 5, we do not know yet, but it would be shocking if we do see Category 5. So, here we go, it just loaded. So, the okay, hang on, let me fix that. The GFS is saying this type of a track. Okay. Sorry guys, but the one models are now agreeing it's gonna go right in this area, make landfall somewhere in that area. It's gonna form here, go this way, and make landfall, possibly as a Category 2 or Category 3 hurricane, possibly. I was getting told a few days ago that, about yesterday or the other day, someone told me some people are getting very worried about this hurricane in Mexico. Don't worry, guys. Don't be scared, be prepared. So, if I had to guess since the models are saying it's going to make landfall in this area, it's still far out. It's still about 2 to 3 days away. And this thing could form by tomorrow or the next day. So if I had to guess, it'll probably form on the 26th at like probably 8 in the morning. But if I had to guess, so GFS models saying it makes landfall right in this area. So that's really not a good sign. Which it still can change, or it could just take a route and go away from Mexico and hit Cabo St. Lucas. Or it can actually hit that area that I just drew earlier. So yeah, that's your weather video. Bye guys, have a great rest of your day. God bless you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, hit the notification bell, and